time. Let me start this shit quick like I'm on my block. You better record me, make a DVD. When you make a DVD, give 20% to me. Let me get one other thing out the way. The show ain't even start yet. Before I start, I just want to say fuck the police real quick. You don't have to act, you pay them selling crap. Never say see ya, I would never be ya. Be all of a sudden wicked. Watch out, wanna be a savior. First show them respect, change your behavior, change your attitude, change your. Think you'll never really be justice for the Mexican. Really for peace and equality, we don't call it hooked up. They go us up in the law, you won't even think about. It's time to see, we be getting hyped.